Hello, in this video I want to show you how to play scales on more than one octave. In the previous video I will put a link. You saw how to play a scale on one octave like that. Okay, and with both hands. Now it's a bit different when you want to go further. So let's take the right hand to start with. So the beginning will be very similar. You play the first three notes. Then your thumb will go below the other fingers. But then instead of playing the C with the pinky, you cross again with the thumb and you go to play the C key with the thumb. Okay, so you have the first cross here, and when you are on the B key to play the C, which is next to it, you have to cross again with the thumb, and then you can continue to play. And climb the octaves as much as you want. So let's start again. 1, 2, 3. The thumb is going to the F key, okay. And now it goes again to the C. And I can stop there. Now to go down, I start with the pinky here. Okay, like for one octave, I cross with the third finger to play the E key here. But then I want to go down even further. So how I can do that is I cross with the fourth finger this time, and then with the third. Again. Cross with the third, cross with the fourth, and with the third again. Now up and down. Alright, now let's do the same thing with the left hand. So we go up first, we start with the pinky, then we have to cross with the third. Okay, that's the way we do one octave, but then if we want to go higher, we have to cross with the fourth finger. So, and then again with the third. Okay, let me show you again. So we start on the C key with the pinky. We cross once, okay, above the thumb with the third finger. Then with the fourth finger. And again with the third. And to go down, we start with the thumb on the C here. And then we go down and below, and again below, again. Okay, let's start again. So we start here with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, cross. 1, 2, 3, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now up and down, up. All right. So practice this with each and separately for a certain time. Play with a metronome also, of course. So now let's play the scale with both hands on 2 octaves. So let's go up. And down. Okay, so let me show you again where you have to cross. So 1, 2, 3, cross the right, cross the left, cross the right, cross the left, cross the right, cross the left. Okay, and down. Cross, 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 cross. Now you can play the scales on more than 1 octave with both hands. That's it. Your turn to play, and I will see you in the next video.